evening, ladies and gentlemen. Leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, is back from his German sojourn. Before flying home, he lectured at Berlin's Hertie School. The theme was politics as the art of listening. Back in India, now Rahul Gandhi is being asked to listen. Listen to the rumblings within his own party. Listen to the murmurs inside his own alliance bloc, which is the India bloc. Listen to a growing chorus questioning his leadership. Let's start with those within the Congress ranks. Imran Masood, one of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's most trusted lieutenants, has openly pitched for her to become the general, to be made the Prime Minister. Priyanka Gandhi's husband, Robert Vadra, quickly endorsed the idea and used the moment to pitch in his own political ambitions as well.
प्रियंका गांधी को बना दीजिए प्रधानमंत्री, देखिए इंदिरा गांधी की तरह कैसे जवाब देकर आएगी। हम बुलाएंगे क्यों उनको, उनके घर में बसाएंगे, इतना दम है हमारे अंदर।
The BJP has lapped it up. These regime change whispers are being read as a vote of no confidence in Rahul Gandhi's lackluster leadership. But Congress loyalists, it seems, aren't very good at the art of listening. Because when their own member of parliament suggests Priyanka Gandhi should replace Rahul Gandhi as the PM face, leaders like Udit Raj declare that Rahul Gandhi has now risen above being a national leader. He is now an international one.
All the questions have to be answered by the opposition. Why don't you give us the power? I mean, we are better at governing than the BJP, obviously, because if every question has to be answered by us, then might as well give us the governance.
राहुल गांधी को ना अब जनमत हासिल है, ना संगत हासिल है, ना समर्थन जनपद हासिल है, और ये साफ नजर आ रहा है। राहुल गांधी के अंदर किसी को विश्वास नहीं है, किसी को कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है। अपना गुस्सा और बीजेपी के खिलाफ जो गुस्सा है वो निकालने के लिए विदेश चले गए और भारत के खिलाफ वो गुस्से को निकालने लगे।
And what is Congress's so-called international leader really up to? He's back to his favorite script, criticize India on foreign soil, the same tired barbs, democracy is dead, institutions are under attack in India. The BJP says this isn't dissent, it's desperation. That Rahul Gandhi attacks India abroad because he's rattled at home, shaken by the fact that his party colleagues and even family members are showing no confidence in him.
देखिए, राहुल गांधी एक देश विरोधी व्यक्ति है और राहुल गांधी की नीति और नीयत देश विरोधी है। देश की जनता राहुल गांधी को एक एंटी इंडिया पॉलिटिशियन के रूप में देखती है और अब कांग्रेस के अंदर भी कई लोग राहुल गांधी की लीडरशिप के खिलाफ बोल रहे हैं और इंडिया अलायंस के अंदर भी लोग राहुल गांधी के नेतृत्व के खिलाफ बोल रहे हैं।
Rahul Gandhi's foreign trips are ruffling feathers even within the alliance partnership, the India Alliance. CPIM Member of Parliament John Brittas has questioned why the leader of opposition was missing while Parliament was still in session and there were crucial questions to be raised. Why, instead of being the opposition's loudest voice inside the House, Rahul Gandhi chose to check out BMW cars and bikes in Germany?
We had earnestly, of course, desired or wished that the opposition leader was there, but at least for this Jiramji. But the Congress party says that it was pre-designed, pre-determined, or rather, I mean, this which was decided long back. But it is for him and his political party to take a view on it. But we would have actually expected or wanted Rahul Gandhi to lead the agitation and opposition.
John Brittas is not the first or the only India Alliance leader to put Rahul Gandhi in the dock. From Omar Abdullah of the National Conference to Supriya Sule of the NCP Sharad Pawar and Anand Dubey of the Shiv Sena, they have all broken ranks against Rahul Gandhi's leadership.
इंडिया अलायंस को इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है। हर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को खुली छूट है कि वो अपने हिसाब से अपने पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा को सेट करें। अब कांग्रेस ने एसआईआर या वोट चोरी को जो है अपना एक मेन पॉलिटिकल इशू बनाया है। ठीक है, हम कौन होते हैं उनसे कहने वाले कि वो ना करें। हम अपने इश्यूज चूज करेंगे, वो अपने चूज करें।
पहले पंचायत में इतनी बड़ी सरकार आई, मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ, इनका कहना है कि मैं भी उसी मशीन पे चुन के आई हूँ, तो मैं वीवीपैट किसी पे नहीं बोलूंगी, क्योंकि मेरा कहना है अगर वो मशीन में गलती है तो मेरे से शुरू करिए, क्योंकि मैं 4 बार चुन के उसी मशीन के कारण आई हूँ। सो आई एम नॉट स्पीकिंग अगेंस्ट द मशीन।
मुंबई में कांग्रेस को गंभीरता से लेने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है। कांग्रेस पार्टी मुंबई में उसी प्रकार है जैसे कोई टूरिस्ट होता है, पर्यटक होता है। आइए, घूमिए, फिरिए, होर्डिंग लगाइए, बैनर लगाइए, प्रचार करिए और चुनाव हार के अपने घर बैठिए।
And this is not the end of woes for Rahul Gandhi. Leaders like Shashi Tharoor are repeatedly praising the BJP and its style of governance, even at the risk of incurring the wrath of their own colleagues.
देखिए, बदलाव तो बहुत देखते हैं, लेकिन मैं तो पहले इतना साल पहले नहीं आया था। मैं सुना हूं कि हाल अच्छा नहीं था। आजकल तो रास्ते अच्छा लग रहा है, रात के वक्त लोग बाहर है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चल रही है, पानी चल रही है, सब कुछ मेरे ख्याल में अच्छा लग रहा है।
Mr. Tharoor is a good friend of mine. When he returns to Delhi, I'll ask him to borrow his glasses so that I can also see the world through his glasses.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, brings me to the legitimate question on the News Hour tonight. With Parivar, Party, Alliance and Country all showing no faith, is it game over for Rahul Gandhi? That's the question, and that's the debate on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate tonight with me, Pradeep Bhandari, national spokesperson of the BJP, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author, scientist, Suhail Seth, marketing guru. Also joining me this evening is Ashwini Kumar Mishra, leader of the Congress Party, Tehseen Poonawalla, supporter of the Congress Party, somebody who's very close to the Priyanka Gandhi Vadra family. Also Abbas Haider, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, Somnath Bharti, former Minister of Law, Tourism and Culture in the government of Delhi, senior leader of the Aam Aadmi Party. My first question goes to Tehseen Poonawalla. And Tehseen Poonawalla, my question to you is it time for Priyanka Gandhi Vadra to come center stage? Not only are these murmurs now pronounced within the party, they are pronounced in the alliance. People are just not satisfied with Rahul Gandhi's style of leadership. Priyanka Gandhi, in the absence of Rahul Gandhi, really managed the party very well, the party's viewpoint very well. She's given a sterling speech on Vande Mataram, on Ji Ram Ji, on all the issues. Now, is it time for her to take center stage? Public not voting for Rahul Gandhi, party not standing with him after 95 defeats, alliance really tired of his BMW sojourns at a time when he should be thinking about the poor in India.
Good evening, Navika. Thank you for having me on the show. Good evening to all my fellow panelists and to all your viewers. To the first part of your question, should Srimati Priyanka Gandhi Vadra ji get a bigger role in the Congress and with that in the opposition? I've always maintained two things. I've said this to you off the record and on record, and I've said it to Anand as well. I believe firmly Srimati Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is the most articulate speaker of the Congress in Parliament. She speaks very well in English and Hindi. She's very mature. She has a lot of gravitas. Her images with the Honorable Prime Minister when the Honorable Speaker hosted the tea party after the session got over, the winter session, the laughter, the way she built bridges after, putting the government on the mat, I think was fabulous for Indian democracy. And I firmly believe she should be more involved with the Congress. Perhaps, in my opinion,
Tehseen Poonawalla, minor correction in what you're saying. This is not about a larger role. This is about replacing Rahul as the PM face. Make no mistake, Imran Masood's call is to make Priyanka Gandhi Vadra the PM face. Please respond directly to the question. Don't beat around the bush.
I never beat around the bush. You can never beat around the bush with you. You have to always frankly speak with Navika. So let me just put that across. I firmly believe immediately she should be in a more important position like General Secretary Organization. Eventually she should lead the party. And Sohail, 30 seconds more.
Answer the question.
In Anand's words. Yes, I think a woman should lead.
Around the bush delays our entry into the debate.
Not any woman woman, not any woman, Tehseen Poonawalla.
Actually, Priyanka.
Tehseen Poonawalla, not any woman. You're not going to make any woman in the Congress party the Prime Minister. Answer the question, is Priyanka Gandhi Vadra more deserving to be the PM face of the Congress party, yes or no?
I think, perfect. I think Srimati Priyanka Gandhi Vadra should lead the Congress. No if, no but. Whatever you want to make of it.
Ashwini Kumar Mishra. Ashwini Kumar Mishra. I want to ask you. There are murmurs that are coming in. Suhail, I'm coming to you. But Ashwini Kumar Mishra, I want to ask you. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra replacing Rahul Gandhi. She brings with her goodwill. She brings with her extreme articulation. She brings with her, attributes like at least having time to meet people, which Rahul Gandhi doesn't seem to have. The last time an ex-MLA of Odisha said 3 years he had been asking for a appointment, didn't get one, he was thrown out of the party. Ashwini Mishra, time for a leadership change. The alliance partners also very dukhi.
Navika ji, good evening to your viewers. I think you are reading too much between the lines. Priyanka ji and Rahul Gandhi ji are the heart and soul of the Congress party. Can you replace heart with soul or soul with heart? I don't think we should get into this debate. They both are the part of the Congress party, and in Congress party, PM candidates are chosen in a democratic process. So, sir, I think you take your time. Let me speak. So, in a democratic process, Congress party select the Prime Minister in a certain democratic way, unlike Bharatiya Janata Party, where Advani can be sidelined for just one man wishes. Now, coming back to the issue, I don't understand why you are so much concerned about where Rahul Gandhi is when you are not concerned about where Modi ji is. When Modi ji came back during Operation Sindoor, it was called masterstroke. When Delhi blast happened and he went to Bhutan, it was again called masterstroke. In fact, when Modi ji criticized publicly that people were feeling ashamed, calling themselves Indian, that there's no issue in that. And when Rahul Gandhi raised the issue with respect to our jobs, our manufacturing, then you say it as an anti-Indian statement. I don't understand this hypocrisy, Navika ji. The problem is we are not discussing the core issues. The core issues of government's failure, government diplomatic failure, what is happening in Bangladesh, the pollution, the dollar issue. In fact, the dollar is like rising like crazy, but nobody is talking about it. The deaths in SIR, the vote chori through SIR. So there are ample of issues.
Ashwini ji, that's exactly my charge against you. You are not answering the core question. Is Priyanka Gandhi Vadra better qualified to be the PM face of the Congress party rather than Mr. Rahul Gandhi? It doesn't make a difference to me, sir. He can ride a BMW in India or in Germany. It doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to people of India, because 95 elections he hasn't shown a victory at all. But Suhail said, ये heart and soul के बीच में, which is more important for a human body, heart or the soul?
So to answer Ashwini Mishra in the context of spirituality and Hinduism, not Hindutva, the body withers and ultimately dies. The soul is unquenching and undying. So the next time you say heart and soul, pick one organ. My advice to you would be pick the heart, because the mind is absent, literally in Tagore terminology. But I want to answer Navika Kumar's question directly. There is no question that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, or to paraphrase Tehseen, Shrimati Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, should become the prime ministerial face. There's only one slight hitch, Navika. The people of India also need to play a role in terms of voting for her. So if the people vote for her, if the Congress allows her, if the mother's love for a son dims in comparison to a mother's love for her daughter, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is the ideal candidate for 4 reasons. Number 1, she prefers Sujan Singh Park to the Autobahn. Number 2, she has a greater persona in terms of outreach. Number 3, she's a far better orator. And number 4, she will never ever play with her dog when Ashwini Mishra is discussing matters of national importance. So these are the 4 attributes that I think Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will make a fine prime ministerial material for. Now the problem here is Tehseen Poonawalla, poor chap, first time he's caught between a rock and a hard place. Nation or family? By asking him that question, you've made him divide his family loyalties. Ashwini Mishra can't say no, Priyanka ko mat lao. Tomorrow, if Priyanka Gandhi Vadra becomes Prime Minister material, he'll be like Sanjay Jha in suspended animation. I'm just saying. So you are also caught. We are the only people who can actually give you an honest answer.
Congress
क्योंकि बॉस जो भी आए,
democracy.
हमारा बैंड तो वैसे ही बजने वाला है.
In Congress party, there's a democracy. Prime Minister is chosen by the party, and that was Manmohan Singh was chosen the Prime Minister,
जब तुम डिबेट करते हो, मेरे को सुन लो, क्योंकि मैं तुम्हारी धज्जियां उड़ाऊंगा. जो मुद्दे आपने उठाए, बहुत बढ़िया उठाए. AQI, ये वो. तो संसद में क्यों नहीं आप लोग उठाते? संसद में सिर्फ कागज फाड़ते हो. संसद में भी उठाओ.
BMW की सैर
सच ए वेनरेबल पॉलिटिशियन.
टाइम अलॉटेड था पोल्यूशन के लिए. संसद में टाइम अलॉटेड था. संसद में टाइम अलॉटेड था पोल्यूशन डिस्कशन के लिए. पोल्यूशन डिस्कशन के लिए टाइम अलॉटेड था संसद में. हमारे
लेकिन आपको राम जी के नाम से इतनी तकलीफ हो गई कि आपने पोल्यूशन की चिंता करनी छोड़ दी क्योंकि राम के खिलाफ बोलना था. दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम अश्विनी. बट प्रदीप भंडारी
एयर प्यूरिफायर लगवाए हुए मैंने अपने ऑफिस में.
तुम्हारी तो
सबने लगाया हुआ है.
हम तो यहाँ जला मर रहे हैं. यहाँ एयर प्यूरिफायर की आमदनी नहीं है हमारे पास लगाने की. आप जैसे
come on Suhail, 5 kilos of rations coming to your house very soon if you don't have money for air purifier. But Pradeep Bhandari, my question to you is, Rahul Gandhi going abroad, Rahul Gandhi speaking against India, all of these don't make headlines anymore. It's a given. Okay, he will go, he will rant and he will come back and it is the same story. The issue is that his own alliance partners have seen through this complaint. When John Britta says we thought he would be in the parliament to be the leader of opposition and lead the opposition and its charge against the ruling party. But Rahul Gandhi decided that BMWs were more interesting than the Indian democracy and Indian parliament. I want to ask you, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra being held back, Rahul Gandhi continuing, is it gender inequality? Is it, forget being a prime minister, people have to elect you, but to be fielded as the prime ministerial face is the first step that a party can take. Why has the Congress not taken such a step and stuck on to Rahul Gandhi after 95 defeats?
Well, Navika ji, recall in history how in the time of Mughals, there used to be family fight between Aurangzeb and his heir. There used to be family fight between Akbar and his heir. This is exactly what is happening in the Gandhi Vadra family between Priyanka camp and Rahul camp. Allow me to quote a certain statement, and this is not my statement. संसद चल रही है और नेता विरोधी दल विदेश यात्रा कर रहे हैं. देश की राजनीति को लेकर राहुल गांधी कितना गंभीर है, ये इसी से छुपा नहीं है. अरे राहुल गांधी, राजनीति तपस्या है, तपस्या. तपो, हॉलिडे मत करो. This is what IP Singh, the senior leader from Samajwadi Party, has said. This is not for the first time when people have spoken against Rahul Gandhi. But now in the India Alliance, you have members of the CPM speaking against Rahul and Priyanka both. So what is happening is a very unique situation which has not happened in the last 11 years, but was predicted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who said that after the loss in Bihar, you will see them fighting against each other. Mamta, Akhilesh and all the members of the India Alliance are speaking against Rahul openly. Members inside the Congress are speaking against Rahul Gandhi openly, and Rahul's camp is speaking against Priyanka Vadra. This is a struggle inside the dynasty and the Parivar, and let me tell you, all of the individuals out here, including my very senior friend Suhail, is overestimating Priyanka Vadra, because recall when she was given the charge in Uttar Pradesh, 399 seats, the Congress party lost deposits in 387, and then the Rahul camp had to sideline Priyanka camp. We are very happy, Navika ji.
Well said, and you're absolutely right, Pradeep Bhandari, because the Prime Minister had predicted this. कि split होगा, परिवार में होगा, पार्टी में होगा. Let's listen in to what the Prime Minister said after the Bihar elections.
ये जो कांग्रेस के नामदार हैं, ये जिस रास्ते पर कांग्रेस को लेकर चल रहे हैं, इसके प्रति घोर निराशा, घोर नाराजगी अंदर ही अंदर पनप रही है और मुझे तो आशंका है, हो सकता है कि आगे कांग्रेस का एक और बड़ा विभाजन हो।
Somnath Bharti ji, I want to ask you, is Rahul Gandhi losing the grip?
Navika ji, I was listening very carefully, my friends who have said from various parties. See, India's problem is not Rahul Gandhi versus Priyanka Gandhi Vadera. India's problem is dynastic politics versus performance politics. And Aam Aadmi Party has always rejected personality politics and family succession, whether it be in BJP or in Congress. You know, the crisis is that the Congress is still debating which family members should lead Congress. And while India needs, leadership which would solve problems of schools, hospitals, clean air, jobs. There are innumerable number of problems we have today. And Congress is still debating, should it be led by Priyanka ji or Rahul ji? But that's your problem. There are many factions in Congress. But today I am observing, which silently it was going on for a long time, there are two main factions in Congress. One is led by Priyanka ji and second led by Rahul ji. Now,
it is not the Congress which is debating this, it is the Navika Kumar which is debating this.
So, no. See, your own gentleman, your own MP has said so. Why can't you keep your internal problems inside itself? Why your MP has to say, talk about this outside? You should give them a platform. You have not given a platform.
What did MP say? MP said in the context.
अश्विनी जी, इमरान मसूद ने बोला है, नाविका कुमार ने नहीं। रॉबर्ट वाड्रा ने बोला है, नाविका कुमार ने नहीं। जॉन ब्रिटास ने बोला है, नाविका कुमार ने नहीं। चिंता काहे कर रहे हैं बॉस? डिनायल में रहना है, रहिए, लेकिन इलाज मिलेगा नहीं, क्योंकि मर्ज आपको पता नहीं है। एंड आनंद रंगनाथन
चाह रहे हैं कि भाई हमें सेंट्रल लीडरशिप मिल जाए, अरे डिसाइड तो कर लो अंदर की बातें। भाई कोई भी चर्चा नहीं है एजुकेशन पे, हेल्थ केयर पे।
अरे सोमनाथ भाई, आप भी यही करते हो। आपकी केजरीवाल जी की धर्मपत्नी कुछ मुख्यमंत्री की चेयर पे बैठ गई थी। आप क्या फैमिली डायनेस्टी की बात करोगे? अपनी पैकेज कांग्रेस हो, अपनी पैकेज कांग्रेस हो, आप दोनों का मुखौटा लगे क्यों आप?
प्रदीप भाई,
आपकी ये धर्मपत्नी थी ना केजरीवाल जी की।
मैं अभी
केजरीवाल जी नहीं, जब केजरीवाल जी सत्ता में नहीं थे
तो
कैसे उनकी चेयर पे बैठ
पड़ जाएंगे। डायनेस्टिक पॉलिटिक्स
क्यों पकड़े गए सोमनाथ जी?
आपको राष्ट्रपति नहीं भेजने वाले वो।
सोमनाथ जी, मुख्यमंत्री भेजने वाले वो किसको बैठाए थे? सोमनाथ भारती नहीं बैठे थे, ये वाइस चेयरमैन नहीं बनाएंगे जी की। तो आप भी पैकेज वही हो,
कोई भी नॉर्मल,
आप भी वही पैकेज हो,
चेयरमैन नहीं बनाएंगे।
ऑल राइट Anand Ranganathan, the reason we are picking up this issue is not because any of us have said that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is more suitable to be the PM face of the Congress. It is because Imran Masood said this. It is because after Imran Masood, Robert Vadra endorsed it and said, "Ha." So if the BJP says within the Congress, there is, different opinions. Within Janpat, there are different opinions. They're not wrong. And look at what Shashi Tharoor is saying. He endorses the Bihar development model, whereas the Congress is going blue in the face after they have won just 6 out of 243 seats. And Rahul Gandhi has led them to this spectacular performance despite his vote chori, yatras and everything. So Anand Ranganathan, ये कांग्रेस डिनायल में है या कांग्रेस कुकू लैंड में है या फिर BMW चलाना is a better option than running the party and the alliance?
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists. First of all, I'm really touched by the hard times my good friend Sohail said. He says he's fallen on. So may I please propose Mahatma Gandhi caviar and Dom Perignon Yojana for my good friend Sohail.
Caviar. I'm allergic to seafood.
Acha, okay, fine. How about Dom Perignon then? I think would that
I
do?
don't like champagne.
Look, oh my God, he actually has fallen on hard times.
Okay, let's get to the topic.
Yeah, no, look, Rahul or Priyanka, let's face it, it doesn't matter. Bringing in Priyanka would be like rearranging deck chairs on Titanic. And you know, Navika, what I say about Rahul Gandhi and Titanic. If Rahul was the captain of Titanic, he'd have steered the ship all night long in search of icebergs to collide with. Look, you don't believe me? Let me illustrate the damage the Nehru-Gandhi dynasty has inflicted. While Rahul says poverty is a state of mind, Modi has pulled 250 million minds out of poverty. While Rahul goes around claiming India is a dead economy, Modi is providing 120 million toilets, 100 million gas connections, 40 million homes, 380 million health insurance cards, 110 million tap water connections. And Rahul and Priyanka should be thanking Modi for taking care of their dynasty bastions of Amethi and Raebareli. Because a lot of these welfare benefits have actually gone to their pocket boroughs that were languishing at the bottom during the time they were ruled by the dynasty for 60 years. You don't believe me? Here are the last census indices of Amethi and Raebareli, the Nehru-Gandhi dynasty bastions for 60 years. So before you say whether Rahul and Priyanka would be good for India, let me show you how good they were for Amethi and Raebareli. Literacy rate, 69%. Households with electricity, 37%. Households with tap water, 17%. Households without toilet, 82%. Vaccinated children, 51%. Child anemia prevalence, 76%. Neonatal deaths, 43 per thousand. This is what the dynasty reduced Amethi and Raebareli to. And even today, 33% of Amethi population is multidimensionally poor. These are shameful statistics. So let it be known that if the Congress lies in tatters, it is because of dynasty politics that attained escape velocity. And finally, as far as Robert Vadra is concerned, he exemplifies, that famous meme where a pot-bellied sidekick of a politician on the dais is trying to slip through a pole to be in the limelight. Vadra to chala gaya, Robert reh gaya.
But Anand Ranganathan, आपकी बड़ी बुरी आदत है. You have a bad habit. The multiple choice questions did not include an option to say neither Rahul nor Priyanka. You were given only two options, which were Rahul better or Priyanka. You are saying, everybody is a write-off. That is absolutely unacceptable. And I want to get in Abbas Haider. Abbas Haider. Now, on a serious note, I want to ask you. Yes, the Congress Party and Mr. Rahul Gandhi have occupied.
Anand Ranganathan ji.
सोमनाथ जी के पास तो मैं आया ही नहीं. ये कह रहे हैं डायनेस्टी को ये क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं. 6 डायनेस्ट तो मेरे पास अभी मैं आपको बता दूं. और मिसेस केजरीवाल की बात करें डायनेस्टी पे. सोमनाथ जी आप तो आज ना बोले डायनेस्टी के बारे में.
आनंद जी आपकी भी डिग्री मोदी जी की तरह फेक तो नहीं है. आप तो साइंटिस्ट हो. आपकी भी डिग्री मोदी जी की तरह फेक तो नहीं है, क्योंकि आपकी बातों में कुछ लॉजिक नहीं दिखता.
हमारे तो कोई डायनेस्टी नहीं है.
अच्छा, अनमोल मान कहां के एमएलए हैं पंजाब के एमएलए अनमोल सिंह मान पंजाब के आपके एमएलए. आप कौन कह रहे हैं? आप बेगाने हो गए. चित्रा सरवरा, कितने नाम गिनाऊं?
नाविका जी, मुझे लगता है आनंद जी की भी डिग्री जो है
इसमें डायनेस्टी पॉलिटिक्स है. हमारे यहाँ कौन था?
अरे भाई आप अश्विनी जी आपकी साथ अश्विनी जी आपने साथ
let's not digress this. No, let's not. Ashwini ji, आप तो जितना कम बोले उतना बेहतर है. But Abbas Haider, I have serious questions for you. And the opposition alliance has serious questions for the Congress party. After all, the parliament session was a time when the government can be put on the mat. Questions can be raised, discussions can be initiated, and the government's performance can be judged. But what did the Congress party do? They hijacked every agenda that the opposition had. Rahul Gandhi went off. Do you agree with John Brittas, who said that parliament sessions need to be sacrosanct? Anand Dubey ji, who says parliament sessions need to be sacrosanct. BMW drives can happen even other times, not parliament session times.
Navika ji, first of all, this matter has been taken out of proportion. What Imran Masood said was in response to a question from the journalist where he asked that what Priyanka Gandhi is doing in the matter of Bangladesh. So he responded, if Priyanka Gandhi would have been the Prime Minister, she would have done this. So that was a response, first of all. And I believe that Rahul Gandhi ji, Priyanka Gandhi ji, both are complementary to the Congress party. There is no question of tussle. Now, Navika ji, there is a difference between NDA Alliance and India Alliance. Among India Alliance, there is certainly dissent, because dissent and democracy, they go hand in hand in our country. And Navika ji, despite that dissent, we are united. All that is the beauty of India Alliance, Navika ji. We are united, and all the, you have quoted a statement of Brittas and Mr. IP Singh, whosoever, Navika ji. That doesn't, they have their personal opinion. They have right to criticize each other. But for the national interest, for the greater good, we all are united. There is there's not a question of.
The India Alliance is united is the biggest headline. Is the biggest headline that people of India will laugh at. Sohail said Omar Abdullah is part of India Alliance. Is Omar Abdullah a part of India Alliance? Yes or no? Is Supriya Sule a part of India Alliance? Yes or no? Are they in agreement with Rahul Gandhi? Yes or no? Please, Abbas Haider, tell me.
So Navika ji, that is the beauty of India Alliance. Despite dissent, we are united. We have consensus for nation building. So there can be difference, of course. We have differences of opinion. I am from Samajwadi Party. I want Akhilesh Yadav ji to become the Prime Minister of this country. But Navika ji, it is about consensus. First of all, second thing. So every
where is the consensus? Where is the consensus? Suhail said, 1 minute. Suhail said first. Anand, coming to you. Suhail said, where is the consensus in the India Alliance?
I love their optimism and their shallowness of logic.
There is no democracy.
Each India Alliance leader is abusing the other person, and yet they are united. What are you all united in? In hatred or in purpose? Because I haven't figured out the unity. A, B, what messages are you sending to the voter? If every party is abusing the other party as part of the India Alliance, what message are you sending to the voter? Ashwini, when I need your advice, I'll rattle your cage. Let me finish. So, the third point that I want to make is, as Navika Kumar said, if there is no unity, then this is what we are seeing. या तो आप एक united press conference करो, वो भी आप नहीं कर रहे. आप एक press statement दो that we have been misquoted or Akhilesh Yadav is wrong or Omar Abdullah is wrong. That also you haven't done. You are allowing people to feed on your differences. You all are making vultures out of innocent electorate.
Not giving a statement on Trump.
Are yaar, you know, the problem is, do you actually give Ashwini the topic of the debate before you invite him?
You have so much selective ambition.
Because the last time
I give him the topic of the debate, even as Rahul Gandhi knows the state where the election is to be held, yet he is found in foreign countries. But Anand Ranganathan, Omar Abdullah has views that are different. Supriya Sule has views that are different. The Uddhav Thackeray group, Anand Dubey says something different. Shashi Tharoor within the Congress party has different views. Imran Masood voices something else. Even Robert Vadra in the house, in the same family, has a different view, and they say they are all united. What do I do about this?
नहीं, इसमें आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि मेरे जो बहुत प्रिय मित्र हैं, बड़े भाई हैं दोनों के दोनों, अब्बास भाई और सोमनाथ जी, ये कन्विंस्ड हो गए हैं कि मेरे घर में इंटरनेट आता ही नहीं, क्योंकि रिलायंस वाला है और वो रिलायंस वाले करप्ट है, तो इसलिए अदानी अंबानी के चक्कर में। अरे भाई, झूठ पे झूठ बोलते चले जा रहे हैं। सोमनाथ भारती जी कह रहे हैं कि डायनेस्टी नहीं है आम आदमी पार्टी में, और अब्बास भाई कह रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस की तो इनर पार्टी डेमोक्रेसी है, समाजवादी पार्टी की भी है। मैं इनको याद दिला दूं, पूजा पाल कौन है?
आपको बीजेपी बताइए जहां है और जहां नहीं है वहां कहना चाहते हैं।
हाँ, एक सेकंड, अब्बास भाई
थोड़ा सा शब्द गलत करो और कभी-कभी अपने गिरवान में झांका करो पार्टी के स्टूज बन के बैठते हो
All
चैनल के
right.
ऊपर.
Somnath ji, I give you time to counter. Allow him to make his point.
You find everything
देख,
back in BJP.
एक
That's the whole problem.
अब आप देखिए पर्सनल मत
become a
बोलिए,
student
बुरा
of
मत
BJP.
मानिए, बुरा
वहाँ
मत मानिए,
dynasty
स्टूज
politics
स्टूज
है नहीं,
पूछ कहना
वहाँ
है,
घुसाना है.
मैं भी बदतमीजी पे मत
अरे
करिए।
मुझे बाप बेटे का नाम बता दो.
1 मिनट,
आप बाप बेटे का नाम बता दो. आज मैं
अनमोल
ये
माल
छोड़ दूंगा.
मालूम है, अनमोल माल मालूम है,
कर रहे हैं यार.
मालूम है कौन
मेरी
है?
पार्टी में है क्या?
चित्रा
मेरी पार्टी में
चित्रा सर्वर आप मालूम है?
बता दो.
मिसेस के पर
20
एक मिनट, नाविका प्लीज, ये बहुत गलत बात है, आप मुझे इंटरप्ट करवाइए, इसको टाइम नहीं देते.
All other faders down, Anand.
हाँ थैंक यू. पता नहीं ये लोग क्या समझते हैं कि इनकी हिपोक्रेसी पकड़ी नहीं जाएगी, और पकड़ी जाएगी तो पर्सनल हो जाएंगे. अब्बास भाई कह रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस में तो है इनर पार्टी डेमोक्रेसी, समाजवादी पार्टी में भी है. मैं इनसे पूछना चाहता हूं कि एक एमएलए समाजवादी पार्टी ने योगी को प्रेज किया था, अगले दिन ही धक्के मार के निकाल दिया. पूजा पाल, जरा बताइए क्या किया? ये आपकी इनर पार्टी डेमोक्रेसी?
Well, Tehseen Poonawala, my question is that the India alliance has growing dissonance that is really coming out. It was always meant to be an alliance that was loosely gotten together. Aam Aadmi Party, Somnath Bharti ji itna kuch keh rahe hain, ye कहना भूल गए कि they were the first ones to lead the India alliance after the elections of 2024 and the state elections of Delhi. Somnath Bharti ji's party left the India alliance.
Let me.
Hanji, and Omar Abdullah, Supriya Sule, I've counted. I'm only asking the question: where is Rahul Gandhi's finesse as a leader coming onto display? Elections he can't win. He can't keep his alliance together. Concentration on a parliament session hai nahi, he goes abroad. The only consistent feature of Rahul Gandhi is criticizing India on foreign soil. That's the only consistent point.
Navika, again, two aspects here. In an alliance, people will have a right to have different opinions. And I do agree with Sohail that while you may have different opinions, they should not be publicly aired. I do agree completely, Sohail. But may I just make one very quick point? I'm speaking this as somebody who wants to see a good, healthy opposition. I think that this opposition does need somebody like Priyanka Gandhi Vadra to sort of lead the charge along with Akhilesh Yadav ji, because both of them have come out as articulate parliamentarians and as people who can take on the government while at the same time building a bridge. And I think that is important for Indian democracy. So I do see Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. I do hope she plays an important role.
Building a bridge. And that is the point, Pradeep Bhandari. Pradeep Bhandari building a bridge. Those visuals, those refreshing visuals after the parliament session ended, the Prime Minister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra sitting together with other leaders of various political parties having a cup of tea. You know, visuals that we had forgotten existed in a democracy. The beautiful part
that shows
that you
maturity.
oppose each other, yet you can come together for building the nation. It doesn't happen with Rahul Gandhi, I guess.
It shows maturity on part of Priyanka.
Well, we welcome this parliamentary decency and maturity by the people in the opposition. But on your panel, Navika,
which means Rahul Gandhi is immature.
Tehseen is supporting the Priyanka camp in Congress, and no, we absolutely yes, he is a juvenile. We agree to that. Rahul is a juvenile and Priyanka might be politically gracious, but people of the country have spoken about her ability, where we've seen in Raebareli the Gandhi family.
She's a bright girl.
70 years. Whether Rahul or Priyanka, both of them are anti-development, anti-poor. But I can clearly see on Samajwadi Party point, their alliance is so great, Navika ji. When the Samajwadi Party had to give a single seat to the Congress Party in the UP by-poll, they did not even give a single one. And this is Kamal Nath, who said, Akhilesh kaun hai? This is how strong Samajwadi Party and Congress feel about each other.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we did a survey and we asked the question to the viewers tonight. Congress to India alliance. No trust in Rahul Gandhi. Yes, say 87% of the people. No, say 10%. Can't say 3%. 87% people believe there is no trust left in Rahul Gandhi. Well, people have spoken through elections and today through this survey. The Congress can go blue in the face denying all of this. But do they need to reinvent themselves? Certainly. Can they do it by replacing Rahul Gandhi with Priyanka? Well, let's wait and watch. Will the clamor grow? That's the question we're asking on the News Hour tonight. Thank you very much to all my panelists for joining me on debate number 1.